Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2012-2013 Upper Deck Artifacts box break number 1. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. There's a serial number. NE189553-174. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. And I apologize for my voice. I'm a little bit sick. Here we go. Pack 1. We have a base. We have a nice hit for the Kings. The Frozen Artifacts. Dual jersey card of Jonathan Quick. Decoy. A base. Pack number 2. A base. And we have artifacts. The base card is serial numbered 53 out of 999 of Pekka Rinne for the Predators. Decoy. Base. And base. Pack 3. Base. And base. We have a rookie card for the Kings of Jordan Nolan, numbered 663 out of 999. Decoy. And base. Pack 4. Base. We have artifacts, autofax card for the Florida Panthers of Marco Sturm. Decoy. Base. And base. Base. We have Artifacts Thunder Tandems dual jersey card for the Ottawa Senators of Craig Anderson and Jason Spezza. For the Senators. Decoy. And base. Pack 6. And base. And base. And we have an Artifacts card, Team Canada, of Brendan Morrow, number 793 out of 999. So that card goes to Dallas. Decoy. And base. Pack 7. Base. And we have a rookie card for the Leafs of Ryan Hamilton, number 702 out of 999. Decoy. Base. And base. Pack 8. Base. And base. We have a wild card. It's a rookie redemption. This is going to be randomized at the end between all the teams. Decoy. And base. And base. We have another parallel short print card, number 26 at 85 for the Predators of Pekka Rinne. Decoy. Base. And base. And the last pack for the random. base, base. We have a beautiful hit here. It's a patch and tag card, number 2 out of 5 for the Colorado Avalanche of Jean-Sebastien Giguère. Nice hit for Colorado. A patch and tag card, 2 out of 5. The base and base. So let me just set up the random. So all the teams are in here. Randomize this 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So the Kings, you get the wild card redemption card. So congrats to the Kings. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.